Let's learn how you can see who unfollowed you on Instagram. So this tutorial will be without any application. We'll just use one website to show you that. So let's start by opening our Instagram application. You will have to go to your profile. To do that, click on your profile picture. Then click on three horizontal lines in top right corner. That will open settings. You want to go to your account center, so you'll have to tap on it. Then scroll down a bit and click on your information and permissions. Now you want to click on download your information and you want to click on download or transfer information. Check your account and go to next. Here click some of your information because we don't want to download everything. And it should lead you to a page where you should check what you want to download. So scroll down a bit until you find these connections. As you can see here, you will see followers and following. We don't want to download anything else because right now we are interested only in followers and following. Now you want to select download to device, and here are some options that you can check. For example, date range. It's better if you select last year or last 3 years. That way you can't miss who unfollowed you in that period. So just click on save and click on create files. Now you'll have to wait a bit. As you can see, I already done that. So you should get mail from Instagram, where you will have to go to their site and download information from there. When you did that, go to your files where you saved that information you have downloaded. So for me, it's right here on my iPhone section. As you can see, this is that folder, and you will find what you want under this connection folder. Click on followers and following, and as you can see here, you will have a text with people that have followed you and the text with people who you follow. Now, so you want to have these two, followers and following. Go there, copy everyone, and go to Safari and type in compare list. Now just click on first one that comes in, and if we unzoom a bit, you will see list A and list B. On list A, you want to post people that you follow, and on B, you will post people that are following you. And as you can see here, after you've done that, there should apply missing text, so you will see who is not in these two. If they are not in both of them, they are not following you. And that's it. So thanks for watching. So see you in the next video.